Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pebble stitch summer top, and it has a loopy section at the top. You can make this any size, you can make it any length that you would like. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation chain that reaches from side to side across your chest. To make this easy summer top, you're going to make two sections, a front and a back, and they're exactly the same, and then connect them at the shoulders and down the sides. I'm going to go ahead and work a chain. Okay, so after you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. So single crochet. You're going to double crochet in the next stitch. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert your hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So I'm going to alternate across the row. Single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. Repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, I ended with a single crochet. And if you started with a foundation chain that had an odd number, you will be ending in a single crochet. So I'm going to chain 2 because I'm working the pebble stitch. That's going to count as a double crochet. In the pebble stitch, you work a double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row, and you work a single crochet in the double crochet of the previous row. So I'm going to turn my work. That counts as the first stitch. The next stitch is a double crochet, so I'm going to single crochet in that stitch. The next stitch is a single. I'm going to double crochet, yarn around the hook, and double crochet. The next stitch is a double crochet, so I'm going to single crochet. So work across the row alternating a single crochet in the double crochet and a double crochet in the single crochet. Okay, I worked across the row, and you're going to continue to work this row until you have the length that you desire. At the top, I've added a loopy section, and to do that, so I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Skip, single crochet. And you're going to repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Single crochet in the first loop. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, single crochet. And repeat all the way across the row. And you work as many rows as you would like of these loops. And here's how that will look. So I've worked all of the body in the pebble stitch, and then I've worked loops at the top. And now for this last row, I'm going to make 2 double crochet in every loop. So to make my 2 double crochets in every stitch, I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And I'm going to make 2 double crochet in every loop. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go to the next loop. 1, 2. So work all the way across the row, making 2 double crochet in every loop. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making 2 double crochet in every loop. At the end of the row, make 1 double crochet in that last stitch. And that's what that will look like. And on each side, I marked how many stitches I'm going to use for the shoulder. Just make sure that you leave enough in the center to be able to pull it over your head. So I have that marked on both sides. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and that's going to count as the first double crochet. Then I'm going to double crochet in every stitch up to the marked stitch for the shoulder. Okay, I've worked up to my marked stitch, and now I'm just going to loosely slip stitch in each stitch up to the other marked stitch. Don't slip stitch too tightly because you want to still be able to put this on over your head. Okay, I reached my marked stitch. I'm going to remove that, and now I'm going to double crochet in each stitch up to the end of the row. Okay, now you can fasten on. If you leave a long enough yarn end here, you'll have enough to sew across the shoulder seam. Okay, so you're going to make 2 exact pieces like this, and then you're going to sew down the 2 sides and across the shoulders. And that's how easy it is to make this pebble stitch summer top. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.